Okay. We're back in the massive declutter. Hi, Bruno. I'm going to go through his Christmas toys, condense those down to just a couple. Hi. But we're going to work on the pants next. Sweaters, tops, everything's done there. Stuff's hanging up. We freed up a bunch of stuff. Oh, I need another donate box. That's what I need, another donate box. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. All right. Okay. These I'm wearing all the time. No. What are you? No. Okay. Shoot. Oh, I'm trying to finish. Oh. No. Denim. No. Denim. No. Shoot. Leggings. Stop. Okay. Ow. Stop it. Leggings. Okay. This is. I need to give this dog something to do. Come on, honey. Let's go do something over here. Okay, so you guys already know that we did this last week. Still looks good. But the big one was this room. And wow, does it look different. So these, I'm waiting. There's some body forms for the bodysuits and one-piece swimsuits I'm going to put on. And then I'm going to hang them over here with the bikinis. Those will are in there. Everything is, I've gone through it. I've gotten rid of stuff. I could stand to get rid of more, to be honest. I'm actually going to put a secondary hanging pole here. And I'm going to put all my off-season swimsuits and cover-ups up here once the season gets closer to being over. So, wow. I mean, just night and day difference if you remember what it looked like before. Maybe it looks the same. I don't know. I'm excited. It looks good. This is the rack of dresses and stuff that I work through. Each season we put everything on backwards so that I know what I'm using, what I haven't used. So yeah, that's voila. This project we can close the loop on. So excited. So excited. There's our... Which brings us to Fun Floor Friday. Hi, Bruno. Hi. How you doing? Ms. Diva's working in the back there. I don't know if you can hear her. I can hear her loud and clear. There she is. And look, the puzzle is finished. How nice does this look? Took me a long time, so that's why it's still up. It's been up a little bit longer than I like. So we're gonna take that down today too. Love it. Hi. You checking it out? Miss Diva's working. I'm still gonna vacuum and mop today, but it's actually gonna bring us into this room where the fall decor has been brought. Sheets are going. I want to take inventory of the fall things and the linen closet. Excuse me. Space. Okay, so there's a lot more work to do, so let's get started.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. But you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. Just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind. But your love got rules that change all the time. Change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. But you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind. But your love got rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. Why you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in.
You know what's funny? The second monsoon season starts, I become convinced fall is, I don't know, basically tomorrow. One good rainstorm, and suddenly I'm out here pulling out heaters and taking inventory like I'm preparing for a blizzard in the Southwest. But honestly, I like doing this now because it tells me what I already have before I go buying stuff I absolutely do not need. And let's keep it real for a minute. I did not just overhaul this entire house with decluttering for no reason, right? Like just to build it and fill it back up. That is not going to be future Rita this year. Um, I like doing this now though, because it does tell me what I already have before I go buying more stuff I absolutely do not need. It's a little boring in the moment, but future me has sent me several thank you notes over the years for getting this part out of the way. I really do like taking inventory for the next seasonal decor extravaganza. I don't know what it is about cooler weather, but it completely changes my mood. The second it drops below surface of the sun, I suddenly have enough energy to reorganize the entire house. Voluntarily, friends. Voluntarily. So next week's probably going to be a full-on fall inventory around here, and honestly, I can't wait. And oh, I'm so excited. Pumpkin spice, everything. Anyway, I want to hear from you guys. Go ahead and put in the comments below. Is it too early or are you ready? Have the temperatures started to subside where you are, or are you still boiling or frozen because you've got your head in an ice box? Either way, let me know how you guys are doing this midsummer. Okay, so this is the beginning of the fall decor. Not really. It's yeah, there's a funny backstory on that. from a reel. I broke the pot. It was very dramatic. You know, maybe I'll insert it here to tell you a little story. That was one take, because that was it. Broke it. And this is what it ended up looking like. So is it better? No. Did I throw things away? Yes. I think it does look a little more neat. Got rid of all those extra storage bags. Whatever doesn't fit in here had to go. There's still stuff that can go. Like this came as a pair. Now there's only one. So that can go. I'm going to get rid of that too. These are extra things here. Those books need to be reorganized. Those are my TBR. That's my TBR in there. Yeah, so it's all good to go. And that's my husband's closet. And then we have all this pulled out right here to start getting ready to get into the inventory side of it. There's Bruno being ever so helpful. Hi, cuties. I love you. Are you a good boy? Are you a handsome boy? That floor is clean, huh? All right, I want to keep vacuuming here, and I did do some dishes. We got caught up on that. It still looks like a hot mess, but yeah, so things are coming along. Sorry about the camera movement. Let's finish vacuuming and mopping this direction, and I believe I'm done with laundry at this point in time. So we'll just finish that right there. There's no laundry in the basket, and then we'll see where we'll check in at that after that. And clean. Did the mirror and the sink. Yeah, we're all done in here. That was nice. That was like not even 15 minutes. That was quick. And I wasn't sure if I showed you the beginnings of the changeover for the fall couch. I did take down a puzzle. It was very hard to do. Okay. My husband likes to spread out here, and so I've decided to keep my teeter-totter here. It's so perfect and so comfortable.
I feel like this whole summer has been one giant game of catch up. Every time I finish one project, another one politely waves at me from across the yard. But honestly, I don't mind it. I think that's just part of having a home. There's always something growing, something to trim, something to fix, something to take care of, and thankfully something to harvest as well. The rain finally showing up this week has me ridiculously excited, and I know I'm getting ahead of myself, but the second monsoon season rolls in, if I haven't already said this enough today, my brain immediately starts thinking about cooler mornings, gardening, and yes, you already know what I'm going to say, fall. I know, I can't help it. So I thought it'd be fun to take us out with a really fun poll. Which season gives you the most motivation? Fall, spring, summer, or winter? I'm curious if it's just me or if anybody else gets that little burst of motivation when the season starts changing. Let me know below. I really enjoy hanging out with you guys today.